Oftentimes angles, well, they can be given in a couple of different ways. You can either give angles using a decimal form, or you can subdivide angles into minutes. There's 60 minutes in a degree. Or you can subdivide degrees into minutes. There's 60 minutes in a degree. And you can further subdivide minutes into seconds. There's 60 seconds in a minute, as you would probably expect from time. But of course, this talking about minutes and seconds are not talking about time. We're talking about subdividing angles. So if we want to convert something from a form like this, 17.5 degrees, if we want to convert it to degrees and minutes, well, I could say that this is 17.5 degrees. This whole number part here, this 17 degrees, I would leave alone, and I would think of this as 0.5 degrees. This 0.5 degrees is the other part, or this is the part I want to convert into minutes. And well, I know that one degree is equal to 60 minutes, so if I was to do 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, well, except we usually don't write minutes like that. We usually write minutes like this when we're talking about angles. The degrees would kind of cancel each other out, and you can see I just took the 0.5 times 60. This would be 17 degrees and 30 minutes. 0.5 times 60 is 30. So 17.5 degrees is 17 degrees 30 minutes. Let's do a little bit more challenging example. 46.8721 degrees north. This is the latitude of Missoula. If I wanted to convert this to degrees, minutes, and seconds, this would be, well, 46 degrees. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 0.8721 times 60 on the calculator. So, let me pull down the calculator here. 0.8721, because this is the portion of a degree. If I multiply that by 60, I get 52.326. So that means that this is 52.326 minutes. So far I have, this is plus 0.8721 degrees. So far I have 46 degrees and 52 minutes. And again, I'm going to split off the this part right here and say this is 0.326 minutes also. But I'm going to convert this part to seconds. 0.326 times 60. So cutting off this part and multiplying this stuff by 60 gives me 19.56. This would be in seconds. So I have 46 degrees, 52 minutes, and 19.56 seconds. So we've converted the latitude of Missoula here to degrees, minutes, and seconds. We can go the other way as well. If I'm given something like 72 degrees and 6 minutes, and I want to convert this into decimal form, then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the fact that this is kind of like a mixed number. This 6 minutes is 6/60ths of a degree. So 6 divided by 60 is 0.1. So we have 72.1 degrees. Alright, so let's do a little bit more challenging one. This is the longitude, I believe this is, west. This is the longitude of Missoula in degrees, minutes, and seconds, and we're going to convert this to just degrees in decimal form. So this would be 113. Okay, that part's already in degrees. We're going to leave it alone. We have 59/60ths. And you could do this in two steps. You could convert this to minutes and then convert it to seconds. Or, well, 60 times 60 is 3,600. And so what I'm going to do is this, so that means there's 3,600 seconds in a degree. So I would have 38.4 over 3,600 as the fractional part there. So we'll do 113 plus 59 over 60 plus 38.4 over 3,600. And this gives us 113.994 degrees. You'll notice that this is still less than 114 degrees, which is good because this number right here is less than 114 degrees. We're almost at 114 degrees because it's 59 minutes and 38 seconds. 38.4 seconds. So we're almost at 114 degrees, and you can see this is still almost at 114 degrees. So, but this is in the decimal form now.